Hello, I'm Jebong NC Obias from CP11S5. In this video, I'll be discussing an idea to help prevent time-consuming and error-prone methods in checking attendance by applying each step of the engineering design process. One of the small but memorable achievements in my elementary days was having a perfect attendance. However, with the traditional attendance tracking system, my former advisor often made errors in recording, which affected my attendance grade. As a computer engineering student, I wanted to address this issue by creating a solution that makes attendance monitoring faster, more reliable, and more transparent for both students and school staff. So first, define the problem. The traditional attendance tracking system is the method used to record the daily attendance of the students, where teachers are required to check attendance before starting their lessons. However, this process is time-consuming and more prone to errors, causing the teachers to face difficulties in monitoring absences and identifying tardiness among students. As a result, some students may receive lower grades due to recording mistakes. Second step, research and gather information. According to AMED 2025, Attendance Management System or AMS is an advanced software solution that has been developed to track, record, and manage attendance digitally. It utilizes modern mechanisms such as RFID, biometric scanners, GPS tracking, and facial recognition to automate the process effectively. Next step is brainstorm and develop possible solutions. To solve the problem of slow and inaccurate manual attendance tracking, several digital solutions can be developed. First, create a QR code-based attendance system where students scan a unique code each time they enter the classroom, automatically recording their presence in a database. Second is an RFID-based system where students tap their ID cards on a scanner at the classroom entrance for faster and more accurate tracking. Lastly, biometric systems such as fingerprint or facial recognition can also use to prevent proxy attendance and ensure accurate identification. Next is choose the best solution. The best solution is to develop a fingerprint-based digital attendance system that automatically records students' attendance through biometric verification. This ensures accuracy, prevents proxy attendance, and provides real-time data for teachers and administrators. After that, develop and prototype the solution. It consists of the following components. First is fingerprint scanner sensors that captures the fingerprint of each student. Second is the microcontroller that processes the fingerprint data of the students. Next is the database server that stores the registered fingerprints and attendance logs. And lastly, the web dashboard that displays the attendance status of each student such as present, absent, or late. And then, test and evaluate the prototype during enrollment. Number 1. Each student goes to the registration desk after enrollment. Number 2. The fingerprint scanner captures the student's fingerprint. Number 3. The system converts it into a digital fingerprint template. Number 4. The template is stored in the database along with the student's name, ID number, and section. During attendance, number 1. When the student arrives at school or enters a classroom, they scan their finger on the scanner. Number 2. The system reads the fingerprint and compares it with the stored templates in the database. Number 3. If the fingerprint matches, the system records the time and date of the attendance. Number 4. The student status like present, late, or absent is automatically updated in the database. Data monitoring. Number 1. Teachers can automatically view attendance records through a computer or dashboard. Number 2. The system automatically generates daily, weekly, or monthly attendance reports. Number 3. Administrators can analyze data to track students punctually and attendance trends. Lastly, communicate the results. I will present the results of our fingerprint-based digital attendance system to the school administrators, teachers, and students through a short demonstration and report. I will explain how the system improves attendance accuracy and student participation, showing that it is an effective and reliable way to modernize attendance tracking in our school. Our fingerprint-based attendance system makes checking in as easy as a touch, fast, accurate, and smart, bringing a new era of effortless and reliable attendance tracking to our school. That's all. Thank you for watching.